Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, Srimati Anupriya Patel addressed the regional conclave on enhancing regional collaboration and harmonization in standard setting process in the ongoing second edition of Global Food Regulators Summit 2024. Hosted by Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, alongside the World Food India 2024 event being organized by Ministry of Food Processing Industries at Bharat Mandapam. Here today, the purpose of the regional conclave is to enhance regional collaboration and harmonization in food safety and standard setting process. Underlining the importance of the conclave, Srimati Anupriya Patel stated that the Asian region is responsible for a significant portion of the world's food production. With this prominence comes the responsibility to ensure food safety, promote health, and uphold fair trade practices that align with international standards. The conclave reaffirms a stronger, more collaborative approach to food safety and standards within the Asia region. It is a vital milestone in our collective journey towards a safer and healthy food system for not just our region, but also for the entire world. Srimati Patel emphasized that, despite the potential we hold as a region, the challenges like vast differences in regulatory frameworks, institutional capacities and technical expertise across the region and the lack of awareness among national stakeholders regarding the food safety standards limit our ability to comply with international food safety standards. To address these challenges, we must enhance our regional collaboration by pooling our resources, sharing technical expertise and aligning our strategies, as only through unity and cooperation we can elevate the region's role in shaping international food standards. Srimati Patel further said that we need to look ahead at the new and emerging sectors. Standards must be developed for areas like aquaculture, processed foods and organic farming while addressing new technologies like biotechnology and sustainable farming. These advancements are critical as we strive to make our food systems safe, more resilient and sustainable for the future. She added that the conclave will drive meaningful progress towards harmonizing food safety across the region that will facilitate seamless trade and also strengthen food safety for all our populations. Shri G. Kamala Vardhan Rao, CEO, FSSAI stated that the issues faced by Asia are different from the issues faced by the other regions of the world. It is an opportune time for discussing those regional level issues that can have global impacts. The conclave will be a learning experience for discussing and addressing issues like emerging markets, emerging food products, standardization procedures, quality assurance, and the methodologies.